Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. R. Vanithamani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I am going to take App Development CCS332 for Regulation 2021. Today's topic, we are going to see the progressive web app. In that, we can see the characteristics of progressive web app, advantages of progressive web app, disadvantages of progressive web app, difference between progressive web app and native application. Now we can see the definition for progressive web app. A progressive web app is a types of application software. It delivered through the web. It can build up using common web technology, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and WebAssembly. It can work on any platform with a standard browser, including desktop and mobile devices. And we can see the characteristics of progressive web app. Progressive web app will have the following characteristics. First one, progressive, discoverable, responsive, app-like, connectivity integral. Progressive means it can work on any devices that can improve the performance of user mobile browser and design. The discoverable means a progressive web app is a website with some extra features. It can be searched via mobile searching application like Google Chrome. App Store or Play Store is not required for the running the progressive web app. Responsive. The user interface of a progressive web app should fit the form factor and screen size of the device. App-like. A progressive application should look like a native application, although the method for creating, sharing, launching, and updating of progressive web app are completely different from original application. Connectivity independent. It works on even when connectivity is very low. Advantages of progressive web app. Progressive web app will work like an app and mobile. And looks very impressive. It does not need any update. It easily saved in the device, immediately load on mobile devices. It saves money and time compared to the creating the application separately for Android, iOS, and other platforms. Posts can be read even if there is no internet. Internet data is less used in it. Progressive web app is cheaper than other web applications. And we can see the disadvantages of progressive web app. It supports a limited web browser. It does not run on the Safari and Edge browser. Phone user cannot establish connection securely in it. It making the maximum use of battery can be used here. It need to be hosted on the server because it is a web application. It cannot be downloaded from popular app store such as Google Play and Apple App Store. Progressive web app does not provide the same level of supports for all devices. For example, push notification will work on Android but not on iOS. It supports limited hardware functionality. Now we can move on to the difference between progressive web app and native app. Based on the particular, we can have the download and installation. For the download and installation, progressive web app need not to download into the browser. For the native app, user have to download and install the app. For performance wise, it offers the quiet performance. Native app offers the brilliant performance. Offline capacity for progressive web app, it does not offer the offline access. Native app, you can access some of the feature in offline. For security base, progressive web app offer the excellent security. Native app, developers have to add the security features. Discoverability. For the progressive web app, you can found on the search engine result. Native app, you can found on the App Store and results. Then, based on the cost of development, relatively lower costing for progressive web app. Native app, you can have the higher costing. Programming language for progressive app is needed for this HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If we are developing the native app, we need to know about Java or or Swift language for iOS, Java for Android. Thank you.